In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Disney Plus for absolutely free. Like, subscribe. Now, let's get into it. Now, Disney Plus doesn't really have any free trials. They're notorious for not doing that, but that's why you have me. I found a couple sneaky ways to get free months of Disney Plus. Now, hands down, the easiest way to get Disney Plus for 6 months for free is if you have this Kroger Credit Card. Now, it's free to apply. You get a $100 statement credit whenever you're approved, and it also comes with a free Kroger Boost Essential membership. Now, that is very hard to say, but if you scroll down to the credit card rewards, besides a bunch of other awesome stuff, you could see you can get Disney Plus with ads, or Hulu with ads, or ESPN Plus for free with that Kroger Boost membership. So you get the credit card, you get the Kroger Boost for free, and then you get Disney Plus through that for free. Now, the best way to get multiple months of Disney Plus is through Rakuten. Now, Rakuten is a cash back website. So whenever you make purchases online, if you go through Rakuten, they give you cash back on your purchases. So it's kind of a way of doubling down. You can get cash back from your credit card and then also cash back from Rakuten. Now, if you've never used Rakuten, here are the steps. Now, all you have to do is click the link in the description and sign up, and you are very, very close to getting your $40 sign up bonus. Now, once you signed up using the link, you're going to type in the search bar Disney Plus. Now, once you're going to do that, you are going to click on it, and it's going to take you to the Disney Plus sign up page. Now, the second you sign up, Rakuten is going to give you a $40 cash back bonus. And on top of that, an extra $10 for signing up for Disney Plus. So that is $50 for absolutely free, which is going to give you about 4 or 5 months-ish of free Disney Plus if you use that towards the Disney Plus subscription. Now, that'll be more than enough time to stream whatever show, whatever series, or whatever movie, whatever you want. Now, you're not going to find a better deal than that. Now, another very, very easy way to get Disney Plus for free is if you have Verizon. Now, if you have Verizon, it's included in your service. A lot of people do not know about this, so if you look down and your phone says Verizon on the top, reach out to your provider and see if Disney Plus is included. Most likely, it's going to be included. Also, if there is any 1 month free trials or any 3 or 6 months, check out the first link in the description. I will keep that updated. And that is all I got for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!